My hair is so shiny, so I want to use this. Grapes clay. Easy to use, easy to wash off, dry, and non-sticky. Grapes hair clay with easy wash formula creates a matted 3 dimensions dry feeling without stickiness. It is easy use and easy to wash off. All you have to worry about is what style to use.